Filipino president released a video statement.
To my countrymen, just to give you the current situation, I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai, stopover for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako, doon na Torre. And I think this is something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat. This will be a long legal proceedings. But I say to you, I will continue to serve my country at so be it. Kung ganun na escalate. Salamat.
The arrest stemmed from Duterte's controversial anti-drug war, which led to thousands of deaths during his presidency. He's accused of overseeing a deadly crackdown that violated international human rights laws. Following his arrest, Duterte was transferred to a coastal detention unit near The Hague, where some of the world's most notorious war crimes suspects have been held. Duterte's arrival in the Netherlands was closely monitored. The ICC had arranged for medical assistance as a precautionary measure when his plane landed, in line with the standard procedures for new detainees. Medics were seen approaching the plane with a gurney and an ambulance was stationed nearby. A police helicopter hovered over the airport as security measures